This guide will walk you through configuring the EAN field on the product edit page. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EAN. Click General. Click Enable Plugin. Change the field title. Write text EAN. Go to Admin Product Edit page. Here you can define the position of field. Choose Variations. After pricing, go to Product section. Verify the validity of the product's EAN. Ensure the uniqueness of the product's EAN. Click Add Pattern. Click on the Generate button to add it to the product edit pages. Thanks for watching this video.